Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is the 5th video in our channel. This video was recorded last weekend where we attended a meet that so-called car guys were very kindly on inviting us. This meet we attended with Michael. He's the organizer of Notorious Squad Miami, and we were very happy and excited to be part of this ride together with them. We met at Doral, and then from there we rode all together as a group. So I want to thank them, and I thank so-called car guys for hosting this meet. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it down below. Also, here above I'm going to put some links to other videos that we have created on the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
In this part of the video, we are arriving to pre-meet.
Henry! Hey bro, where we are?
We are at a meet from so-called car guys. They were the one that put this meet together. It's a unity meet. Usually happens in the Doral twice a month, no, once a month. So it's different hours. I think they have 2 meets a month, but I'm not sure. And we're here with the Mustang crew. Michael is the owner of the Y Mustang.
Yeah.
I met him a couple of months ago. So, bro, this is a GT, right?
Yeah.
You had it?
It's a GT that took it and
You had it a turbo?
that's a supercharger. Yeah, Steed is like a performance package.
Okay.
It's not as big as Ross or Cobra or everything, but that's pretty much what.
Oh, so that's why you chose the name?
Yeah, well, actually, I bought this from Louis who built it, and Steed built it. So what they did was, we went to Steed and asked them for a Q400. This is what they would make the build. This is what they were. 400 million Q400. Okay.
Bro, sick, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I just saw, I was like, oh, shit, this is for sure. I thought it was turbo, but same concept.
Yeah, I gotta clean it, man. I've been lazy to clean under the hood.
Oh, tell me about it, man.
Yeah, man, but it's fun cars. I mean, it's, it's
Yeah,
a
it's funny,
compared
like,
to all the new stuff. But,
yeah, compared to the new. But it's, bro, it's still great. I love cars, man, so in general.
It's just a lot of polishing, and it's summertime, I don't feel like polishing, so.
Bro, with this heat, come on, man.
Yeah, no, it's
Think
hard.
about it. Our car, mine and John, they don't have AC.
Yeah.
So we're screwed.
Yeah, man. But let me show you, those are beautiful cars.
I love it,
Wait till
man.
my son comes, he loves those Skylines.
Yeah?
Well, Paul Walker put those cars in the back.
Yeah, I know,
Even though
man.
they were badass cars.
They were badass because I love it because of Gran Turismo.
Yeah, yeah.
That's still
Yeah, I think I told you my neighbor has one. He's working on it in the car. I'm trying to get him to. He was supposed to get it done by the time his baby was born last year,
And
it's still not done. But I
the
don't think
baby came.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Because the wife's there, like, you might want to get that car out of the garage. But he hasn't really.
The engine alone is 150. But this is made by Alpha, so this is not a stock engine. It's 1,500 horsepower.
Yeah, got a point. Got a point.
As a daily.
So if I
You can Thank you guys.
Okay, so we are going to.
So we're going to Luchi's place now, to the shop. We're gonna talk to him. He's gonna do a video with us, and that's coming up on the channel too. And then after that, we're actually going to have some fun. We're gonna go to Inter Miami Stadium to watch Inter Miami versus Cincinnati. So some soccer after, you know, having a long day of working on automotive content for you guys. So thank you for everything.